Scan the QR code to download the app. Press down the button on the camera until you hear "Enter the setting mode."
Enter the setting mode.
Search for the Wi-Fi hotspot named S2/S6XXXX on your phone and connect to it. Enter the Wi-Fi password 1122334455. Open the UView app and enter the interface. After connecting to Wi-Fi AP mode, click Login directly without entering a password. Please fill in these items based on SIM card information. Continuously click the button in the upper right corner to refresh the dialing status. When an IP address appears, it indicates successful dialing. The device ID must be 12 digits. Please enter your server IP address and port number. Link indicates successful connection to the server.